What's going on YouTube? It is Luke Waters back with another video, and today we are working on the 2001 Regal here. I'm not sure what happened, but last night decided to do this. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Gonna crack open this door, see what's going on. Thing we're gonna do today is get this thing cleaned out because it is disgusting. I drive this car 2 hours every day for work, and it has been neglected. And it could use a really good cleaning. It's very dirty and nasty, and nobody likes a dirty, nasty car. So the first thing we gotta do is pop this guy off. And I believe there's not a screw. There should be 2 screws down in here. We're gonna get these taken off first, and I believe the door panel should just pull right off. We'll start at the back, pop it up like that. Easy as that. I'm more pain in the butt, but you just gotta finesse it. There we go. So now we need 2 10mm sockets. This bad guy up. There should be 10mm. Oh boy. I seem to have lost my 10mm. That's not good. Be right back. So because I have poor organizational skills and I don't ever put my tools back, this is how I have to do it now. With a 10mm wrench. But hey, it'll work. It'll get the job done. 1, 2. Okay, so with everything off, everything apart, this door panel should just pull right off, but you want to be careful because these things get fragile over time and the pins won't want to go back into their old places if you pull on it too hard. So just gotta go slow, be careful with it. I've pulled this door panel off millions of times before, so it should just come right off like that. Normally there's a plug for your window switch, but I took mine out because this regulator stopped going up, which was why I'm wondering why it happened now. Because now it won't go up or down. So let's pop this cover off right here. This nasty, sticky stuff. Ugh, gross. Okay. Here we are. We got the window motor, the regulator. I'm assuming something in the motor or regulator broke or snapped, but it's just weird because this window never had a problem staying up. It just wouldn't go down. And now it's the opposite way around, so let's push this up. Ow. Okay, now we're all the way up. The up position, which is good. But now I need to find a way to keep... Oh, yeah, right there, look. Check it out. Bad regulator. It fell back down. I'm gonna go find something to shin this up with, and I will be right back. Here's my temporary fix. It's just a piece of cardboard. It just prevents the window from going down. As you can see, I'm pushing down. Stays pretty sturdy. It looks really ghetto as hell, but hey, it's better than having rain get in your car. And you just put this thing back up, nice and easy. Where the heck did the hole for this go? It's gone. It's gone. Okay, next we're gonna throw that guy back on this door. Next thing you want to do is put your screws back in, just like so. The little gold-looking tab in first, or else you'll break your tabs off. So, like that. Get that in there first. I'm sorry, do the backside first. Like that. All good. Okay, and the next step is to get all this junk and dirt cleaned out of this thing. This thing definitely has been neglected in the cleanliness department, so we're gonna get the inside cleaned out and get her outside for a wash. Oh man, I'm sorry, car. It's funny because I never ever let my cars get this dirty. I'm a big clean freak and I hate, like, just, man. Driving 2 hours a day is not healthy for this car. I'm willing to argue with anybody in the comments section. This is the best Diet Pop ever made. Okay, the interior is starting to look a lot nicer, but it's not perfect. We're gonna pull this thing outside and get the shop vac all fired up. As you can see, I work construction. I'm not the most nice to this car with all the dirt and grime in here, but vacuum, just sprinkle it on. You know, don't be afraid to be heavy with it. Sprinkle it on here. All the dirty carpet. So this stuff will really make the inside of your car smell good. This is a little trick I learned from my girlfriend. I didn't even know this stuff existed. And while that stuff is marinating, here's what we're gonna use to clean the inside of the car. This is good stuff. Oh, shit. All right, I said about picking up my tools. Never seem to learn my lesson to pick up my tools. But I would really suggest using this, Griot's interior cleaner. It works really, really well for getting like the deep stains out of the interior. There's a spot I want to show you. Like, look at that. Look how nasty that is. Spray a little bit on there and just spray this over every surface. I mean, don't be afraid to get, you can get heavy with it. Like I said, just wipe it all off. And it looks so much nicer than what we started with. Okay, so here's the grossest part, the center console. That's what it looks like now. It's been sitting on there for about a minute or so. Bam, brand new. What it looks like in the after I vacuumed it up. Oh boy, it's really hot out here, everybody. So the next thing we're gonna do is actually wash the car off because like I said, driving it 2 hours every day, you get quite the bug splatter and icky nastiness. Nobody wants that on their car. A lot of people will argue and say that like Turtle Wax is like not a good brand and go with chemical guys. I mean, use your preferred brand, but as long as it has carnauba wax. Oh, I can't focus it. There we go. You want carnauba wax in it. That's what's going to keep your car looking shiniest the longest and help deter water and other kind of bugs and stuff. So as long as your car wash soap has that, you're pretty good. Coming to one of my favorite parts about cleaning a vehicle is taking some soap. Make sure you wash your whole car first because you don't want to get this wheel stuff all over your car. Just wiping these wheels off and looking at the difference of the before and after. These things are so coated with brake dust. It is absolutely disgusting. Why? I thought I bought ceramic pads, but clearly these are organic of some sort. Like I said, I'm not trying to get 100% spotless or car show worthy. I just want it to look nice going down the road. That looks so much better. Had to stop and take a 5-minute break. It is insanely hot here today. Like my shirt is, I can wring it dry. Like it is soaking wet. Been sweating my butt off for the last couple hours getting this thing cleaned up, but look how much better this looks. This paint doesn't look too bad. Could use a lot of touch-up. As you can see, I kind of touched it up, but those are wrong colors. But we got one thing left to do to this car, and then we are done. That is waxing the windshield. Like we say, why would you want to wax the windshield? Well, it helps keep the bugs off of it, helps keep the rain spots off of it, and honestly, if you wax your windshield regularly, you damn near don't even need to use your windshield wipers. It just helps keep the car clean, keeps the visibility up, gets the little marks off the windshield so you can't see them anymore, and it actually makes visibility a lot better at night too. So. Okay, once you apply your wax, you want to get a clean microfiber towel, and you can see where it's kind of hazy in some spots. You just want to wipe off that haze. Shouldn't take too much pressure. Just wipe it off and make it look nice and clean. Make sure you don't leave any wax behind. If you leave any wax behind now, it'll be such a pain in the butt to take off later. Got a little extra over here. Look at that, I buffed that little spot right there for fun. Look how nice that is. And then it's like, up here. Do that every time you wash it, like it takes 5 minutes. I just use McGuire carnauba wax, obviously, and I just use these cheap pads. You can get a pack of these, I think, for like $3. And I did my Caprice, waxed the whole entire car, and I still have like 3 of them left over. So, I mean, these can last you some time. I could probably keep one of these around and use it specifically for windows. Which, actually, that's what I'm going to do. So there you go, guys. That's today's video. I figured I'd give a little love to the Buick today. Give it a little spa day, clean it up, wash it, wax the windshield. Clean it, and the interior turned out super nice. I need to put the floor mats back in it, but this car cleans up pretty darn good. So for next time, I need to make a list, because now I need a window regulator, and this is another one of those GM 90s ideas that flopped and didn't work out very well. Look at that guy. The auto tint is crap, so I need to get a driver's side rearview mirror, a window regulator, get this fixed as well. As you can see, I had the VATS issue. So this car did not want to start, and now I got to kind of jump to security every time I start it. Hasn't failed me yet. It works just fine, but it looks like trash. Anyways, that's where we're going to end today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It's been Luke Waters. I'll see you on the next one.